Hey Deborah and Richard, my name is Lee Terbianic, and I was doing some research and I came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. Not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of this video you like what you hear and become interested in how I can help grow your business more, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. But all I ask is for some feedback after you watch the video. So let's jump right into it. Now, the 3 major things that has to deal with your ranking is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, we're on your page right here, Pristine Plumbing, and as you can scroll down and see, you guys don't really have that much content, maybe 200 to 300 words. Google typically likes to see 1,500 words on a home page, so you can fit in a lot of these keywords that people are typing into the Google search engine to find the service that they're looking for. So I did a quick search for Plummer Orange County, and I wanted to see who came up first. Mike Diamond Services comes up first for his Orange County plays, and then Baker and Sons Plumbing. So I did a quick search for Mike Diamond Services location page and just wanted to see what kind of content he had. And as you can see, he doesn't have much content either. So if you guys were to go out and get 1,500 words of keyword-rich, optimized content for your homepage, you would easily beat him in that aspect. So now let's go back to Google again. Plummer Orange County search. This top section is ads. Now these companies are paying to be up here and can cost a lot of money if you're not doing them correctly. But I don't really want to focus on that because if you're ranking in these other sections, there's no need to be wasting money in that. But this middle section here is called the Google Map Pack, or GMB. Now, to rank in this section, you need citations. A citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one of them. So I have a tool I use, it's called Whitespark CA, and it's a local citation finder, and I put Olson Superior Plumbing, who is in first place, just to see how many citations he had. It says he has 36 citations, very beatable. Now, the best part about this is we can go into his citations and click on each and every one of these and submit them for your business. We know it's working for him, so it'll work for you. Now, these citations aren't created equal. As you can see, this DA is the domain authority. That's the power that it's transferring. So we want to go after the more powerful ones. As you can see, we get lower, this number gets lower, and they become spammy. So, but I'd like to go out and add 100, 200 more to your business, not only to swamp out these guys in the top 3, but to get your name, address, and phone number out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. But I know that this is hurting you guys not being in this top 3, and because that's where I go, and that's where 9 out of 10 people go when they're looking for someone's service, there and right here. And as we go down farther, this is the organic section. Now this has to deal directly with your website's ranking. And you want to know how you rank there? That's called a backlink. A backlink is any other website that links back to your website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen them before, maybe blue writing in some content on a page and then you click it and it takes you to another page. Well, that is called a backlink. So Google loves them and counts them as votes, because you got to figure if someone is putting your website on their page, they are vouching for your website and are willing to send their traffic to you. And Google absolutely loves that. So let's go over to this tool I use. It's called Ahrefs, and this will show me a basic overview of all the stats of your site. So as you can see, we have Pristine Plumbing Inc., and this UR and DR is your numbers. This is your overall page strength, and this is the strength of your backlink profile. As you can see, you have 1.7 backlinks, and you're getting your backlinks from 141 referring domains. That's websites. So 140 websites are giving you almost 2,000 backlinks. But we want to focus on these do follow referring domains, and you only have 76 of them. These are the ones that transmit power. So let's look at your competition, which was Mike Diamond Services, his location page, and he has a 14 and 40. Not very much trust flow to this location page, but his backlinks are strong, and that's coming from his main MikeDiamondServices.com page. But as you can see, he barely has any backlinks to this, but he's still gaining all that trust from his main page, and he's ranking for 50 keywords. So I wanted to touch base on the keywords that you are ranking for. So as you can see, there's tons of search volume throughout. Now this is going to show me the keyword that people are typing into Google, how many times a month it's being searched, and how hard it is to rank for. Also the traffic you're getting and the position. So as we scroll down, you can see that there's Plumbing, Irvine, California, 100 searches, but you are in first place. But there's not many that you're in first place for. Third, 8th, 11th. As you can see, plumbers in Laguna Niguel, 300 searches a month and 0. You're in the 8th position. That's almost the second page. Plumbers Irvine, California, 150 and 2. Plumber Newport Beach, 200 searches a month and 0, and you're in the 6th spot. So that's hurting your traffic on these. As you can see, you're not getting much traffic. And if we were to add backlinks to your website, which I'm going to show you a key way to do that. So we know that Mike Diamond Service has a strong backlink profile, and if we hit exact domain, this is going to go to his real domain, and it's going to show us all his backlinks and referring domains. And just like the citations, we can go in and get all of the most powerful ones for your business. As you can see, he has 20,000 backlinks given from 2,000 referring domains. But we go in, click on that, and it's going to lay them all out to be submitted for your business. We can go and grab all these for yours, and we know it's working for him. It'll work for you. So, and this is something this is a website that we built, and I just wanted to show you the content. So as you can see, content, and that's to fit these keywords. Keyword right there, content. More keywords, Charleston pressure washing Charleston SC. So whenever people type these keyword phrases, it gets pulled to you. So that was a little video I wanted to make, and let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing we went over was content. You guys need at least 1,500 words on your homepage so you can fit those keywords that people are typing each and every month onto your page. Second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number across the web and directories. And as you can see, Olson's in first, and he doesn't have much. So I would like to add 200 to 300 to yours to beat these guys out by a landslide, bringing in more business, also getting your name in more directories for people to find you. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks, and that's what ranks your website in this organic section. If you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority, and if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Deborah, and I hope you guys have a great day. And don't forget to leave some feedback. Any and all is appreciated. Thank you.